Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at an automotive icon, the Mini Cooper Classic 1960. This little car changed the way small cars were designed, and even now, it still carries a charm that car lovers can't resist. Let's start with the exterior. The 1960 Mini Cooper has a compact and instantly recognizable shape. Its boxy yet stylish design, rounded headlights, and tiny wheels tucked into the corners give it a unique and timeless look. Despite being small, it feels confident on the road and has that retro charm that makes it stand out in any crowd. Moving to the interior, it's simple but full of character. The dashboard is minimalistic, with just the essentials: speedometer right in the middle, toggle switches, and a classic steering wheel. The seats are basic yet comfortable for their time, and the compact design makes you feel closely connected to the driving experience. It wasn't built for luxury, but for practicality and fun, and that's what makes it so special even today. Performance-wise, the early Mini Cooper was lightweight and had small but efficient engines, making it quick and nimble. Its handling was sharp, which is why it became such a favorite in rally racing. Driving one feels like stepping back in time, but with a smile on your face every mile. As for prices, the value of a 1960 Mini Cooper Classic can vary a lot depending on condition, originality, and restoration. On the lower end, you might find one needing work for around $20,000, but a fully restored, collector-quality model can easily go beyond $50,000 or even higher. Rare versions and limited editions can fetch premium prices at auctions. So, if you're a fan of vintage cars, the 1960 Mini Cooper Classic is more than just transportation, it's a piece of automotive history that continues to capture hearts all over the world.